everybody. Today we're doing rice with nuts. First we have 4 large spoons of oil, olive oil in a pan, and we start heat it. After that we'll have 3 large spoons of sugar. Just to caramelize what's gonna go in. Wait until the sugar will turn brown. Here with the nuts, all different nuts, and we start caramelize the nuts. I'm preparing here in the side raisin and cranberry slice. I'm gonna add it also now, but you add it after you caramelize the nuts, and you start move all this together. And after that is 2 cups of rice. We add them in, and you start fry all this together. Bunch of marination: bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, and 2 cloves. And we'll add all this here right now with all that, and we'll mix them together, frying all of them. And now we'll add 4 cups of water. Okay, after we add the water, we add 1 chicken bouillon, maybe more than 1/4 spoon of salt, because you already have sugar. You can put salt a little more, and just little bit of black pepper, and stir it this way. All this in a high heat. And once the water start boiling, you drop it in very low heat, and you leave it to cook. Almost gonna take around maybe half an hour. Okay. Now finalize the rice. Get some olive oil and do it this way. And now we'll mix all this rice together. We have the cinnamon, the smells coming out, all these goodies. We add it in, turn it off, mix it, and let it calm down for a few minutes before you serve it. And enjoy it.